So once you've got your letters down, you can either do a drop shadow or you can make your letters 3D. So a lot of people find 3D daunting because you have to do perspective, but it's actually really easy. So what you do is you draw a point. It can be anywhere on the paper. It can be in the middle of the word. It can be down here, whatever you want. It can be over here. What you do is you just draw a line that connects the corners. You can use a ruler if you want, if that makes it easier. Connects the corners to the vanishing point. I need this. Every corner. So once you have this done, you can choose a cutoff point. You can have 3D blocks go all the way to the vanishing point, or you can have them cut off somewhere. So if you want to have them cut off, say here, you just select that distance for all of them and draw a line. Okay. Alright, now that you're all done with your 3D, you can go ahead and outline it in the same color you used to outline the letters. And once you've done that, you can add a little details to the 3D if you want, or you can just leave it